Looking to elevate your roofing projects with a cordless solution that doesn't compromise on power or efficiency? Stick around as we delve into the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Coil Roofing Nailer, a game changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Milwaukee Coil Roofing Nailer boasts a robust and ergonomic design, featuring a glass-filled nylon body that ensures durability while maintaining a manageable weight of approximately 8.6 pounds. Its well-balanced structure and comfortable grip minimize user fatigue, making it suitable for extended use on job sites. The tool's cordless nature eliminates the need for cumbersome hoses and compressors, enhancing mobility and ease of use. One of the standout features of this nailer is its impressive firing rate, capable of driving up to 6 nails per second thanks to the power-state brushless motor combined with nitrogen air spring technology. This rapid performance doesn't sacrifice precision. The tool-free depth adjustment allows for quick and accurate nail placement, ensuring a professional finish. Additionally, the attachable vinyl siding tip expands its versatility beyond roofing, accommodating various exterior applications. The dry fire lockout feature prevents the tool from firing when nails are depleted, protecting both the nailer and the work surface. However, it's worth noting that the initial investment is on the higher end, with the kit priced at $480, which includes a CP 3.0 battery, charger, and storage bag. While this may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers, the lack of ongoing air tool maintenance and the convenience of a cordless system can justify the cost over time. In my experience, the efficiency and freedom from compressors make it a valuable addition to any professional's toolkit. Check out the product links in the description for the latest offers. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: higher initial cost, heavier than some pneumatic models. Pros: cordless convenience, high firing rate, versatile applications, durable construction, no compressor needed. If you're ready to enhance your roofing efficiency with the Milwaukee, check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.